Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple felt crop top which will fit your 18-inch dolls. It's a great sewing project for absolute beginners with sew-on snaps in the back. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free PDF sewing pattern. Use your pattern to cut out all the pieces you see here. Lay one back bodice piece on top of the front. Sew across the shoulder. Here's a closer look at those stitches. Now lay the other back on top of the front. Sew across this shoulder as well. Notice how the corner of the seam is kind of pointed. Cut the edges off of these pointed edges of the seams like you see me doing right here. So you just want to make sure you don't cut through the seam. You should do that for both of your shoulder seams that you've created. Open the bodice up like this and press both shoulder seams. Flip the top over to the right side. Drop one back piece back down against the front and sew the side seam. Again, here's a closer look at those stitches so you know what we've done here. Do the same for the other back. Sew this side seam as well. Invert the shirt. That's what you see me doing right here. Attach a row of snaps down the back. Now, if you need a little help sewing snaps on fabric, I have another tutorial for that. Just look in the description below for that tutorial. Now you're ready to try your shirt on a doll. Today's tutorial was made as a special request by my cousin who runs ASMR Tingle and Taps. Look below for her Hobby Lobby ASMR and her Christmas Fabric ASMR. And of course, for more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Shelley Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula. Pattern alteration is when you take a pattern that you already own and you make changes to it. Let's say a dress doesn't fit your doll quite right. I'll show you how to create a gusset to extend the dress's bodice. Along the same lines, I'll show you how to use a doll's body measurements to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and to recreate the pants patterns you already own so they will fit dolls of different shapes and sizes. Following my instructions, you'll learn how to reshape dresses and skirts, making them fuller or less full depending on the look you're going for. With this collection of more than 40 videos, you'll use my measurement guide and dozens of tips and tricks to create a full wardrobe for the doll or dolls of your choice. I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.